Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So sometime back I had shared a body oil, body glow oil video with you all, and a lot of people requested for shimmer mist, glow mist video. So today this is on request. Now we are going to quickly make a nice shimmer mist which can be used for the face as well as for the body. It gives an excellent shine and glaze and a very nice glow to your skin. So we'll quickly start with the making. The basic formulation will be shared in the description box. You all can go ahead and make it. The ones that I share in the description box are also equally effective, so please do give it a try, especially for beginners. Now here I have taken some water and I have taken a little bit of my polymer here, which you can go ahead and add xanthan gum clear so that it allows your shimmer to stay well suspended in your mist. Now here this is what I have added in the solution. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of glycerin to this. It's going to help to give very good hydration to the skin. And along with that I have some very good skin loving glycols here. I have taken a little bit of pentylene glycol, polyethylene glycol. These glycols help to give a very nice conditioning effect to your skin when you spray this, and it leaves a very nice glaze and shine on the skin. So we'll go ahead and mix all these ingredients here well. And I have taken a little bit of ethanol. This is optional. The only reason why I have taken this is to give a good dry effect so that this mist dries off fast, only leaving behind all the shimmer particles, and it doesn't feel heavy or sticky on the skin. So I've gone ahead and mixed everything, and now we'll go ahead and add our mica to this. Okay, so now before adding the shimmer to this, I'll go ahead and add my preservative here. I'm adding a little bit of water soluble preservative and we'll mix it. And now I'll go ahead and add a little bit of shimmer mica here. You can go ahead and add any of your choice: bronze, copper, pearl, silver, any of your choice, and we'll give it a mix. I've gone ahead and mixed all the ingredients here. If you all can see the beautiful shimmer that we have on this mist, and now I'll go ahead and fill this in the bottle. Okay, so this is filled in the bottle here, and if you all can see the beautiful shine that this has, and it's a very good feel on the skin as well. And when we spray it and just rub it on the skin, you can see how beautiful the glaze and shine, and the shimmer gives a lovely gloss on the skin, and this stays for quite some time. So you can use this on your face, on your body, and this is a lovely shimmer mist which we have made today. So if you like what I share with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.